Hello, I'm John Baines and I've had multiple implants. I'm now on my 5th implant. It all began a couple of years ago when I had several gaps on either side of my teeth which made chewing a bit difficult. So I had the option of either having a plate, and I felt far too young to be having a plate, so I thought the alternative to that is having implants. And I'd heard about implants and was a bit nervous about having them because it seems to be quite a big procedure. So I've signed up to have 4 implants to start with because I had these 4 gaps which I wanted filling. The actual procedure took probably just over an hour. Whilst it was happening, I didn't feel anything at all, so I was nervous naturally, but the dentist put me at my ease and I was numbed up beautifully, and I tried to imagine nice things whilst it was happening. I think I took several walks around our favourite island whilst it was showing, whilst he was drilling. And afterwards, they gave me some hints on how to control any pain that might happen after the treatment and how to look after the implants by eating soft foods, washing my mouth out with salt water regularly, and so on. And I must say that even though I'd had 4 at the first time, the amount of discomfort was really quite minor. I took tablets, painkiller tablets, for perhaps 2 days, but after that I actually stopped taking them and I kept on rinsing my mouth and everything settled down very easily. And then of course that was the first treatment. Second treatment we had to fit the teeth, take impressions and so on. So after the first visit is the one where they have to do most work, and the other visits that you have are all just fitting everything. So that was all a couple of years ago, and since then the teeth have performed perfectly. In fact, I don't have to think about them at all. I just have to do my normal dental hygiene, flossing and using these sticks, and they're now my teeth. They're not separate from me like a denture, they're my teeth, and they're very, very comfortable and don't cause any problems whatsoever. So much so that 2 years on I've decided that I've now had to have another tooth out, that I'm having another implant, and I've had the pin put in and I'm now having the second lot of treatment. And once you know what's happening, it's not half so bad as what you imagined it was going to be in the first place. So here I am, back again, still smiling and with my teeth, and looking forward to having my next implant put in. But I hope, there are not too many more. I wonder, some people say they may be a bit pricey, but when I think about it, I've got a lot of years of life left, I hope, and if I work out the cost per day, actually it's not all that much. For having something which is comfortable, which I can live with so easily, and that's all I can say. I don't think there's any need to be too worried by the whole thing. Just if you want to get them done, just go and do it.